Hey, what's up everybody? Sam Acevedo here. Welcome back. So I took the car, it's registered, it's on the road. Now, first thing, on the way back from the DMV, smelled a little something funky, right? It's coming through the vents. So the first thing I want to do is replace this cabin filter. So I went ahead and bought the Mann filter. Now check this out. Huge, okay? Anybody that knows Hondas this big. BMW, I don't know why, but apparently it's like 3 feet long, and then it's also in the engine bay. Weird, okay? So before we do that, I just want to clean the engine first, right? Vacuum the leaves that it's got on there. We'll do a degrease, wash that out, and then replace the cabin filter. All right, so first things first, use a rigid chop vac. Let's clean out all these leaves. Let's go. Most of the leaves are having vacuums, so now what I'm going to do is wash the engine bay. Just get rid of some of the oil that was there from the previous owner, right? Before they changed the gaskets. So what I'm going to do is take a plastic bag, cover the alternator, and then spray the engine. So let's get this going. What I'm going to do now is spray with some engine degreaser. Now this gunk engine degreaser I picked up at Harbor Freight. I think it was like $4, $4 or $5. It was super cheap. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna apply to the engine a little bit extra on the oily parts. Let it sit for 15 minutes, and then come with the hose after that and just rinse it off. All right. Actually, while I wait the 15 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to agitate it with this small little brush, just like this, just to get some of the shit off here. I'll go around the engine. It's time. So now that the engine's semi-clean, let's go ahead and take out the cabin air filter cover. Looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 millimeter hexes. So let's take that out. Dude, that's disgusting. All right, guys, look at this. It looks disgusting. I mean, it is filthy. Let's take this out right away. All right, so it looks like it's just held in between with these 3 clips. So I'm just gonna push in and then lift off. All right. Look at that. All right, let's compare with the new one. Okay, I see. So it has some charcoal in it. Look at that. Woo! All right, let's get rid of that. I'm gonna give this a wipe down. All right, so let's put the new one in. Let's just snaps in. Maybe. Oh, there you go. Okay, there you go. All right, so we're just gonna put this back on the car, bolt it up. All right, just put the 6 bolts back on, we're good to go. All right, that's a wrap. So we degreased the engine, changed the cabin filter. So hopefully we can breathe easy now. Now this is the old, all right? Don't let it get like this. All right, I'm gonna put the one I got in the description, Mann filter, recommended. So you'll see that. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Later.